Okay, have you been in a trade where you enter, your stop loss is hit, and the trade goes in the direction you intended in the first place? Yes, I know most of you have been in that situation, and if your answer is yes to that question, I think you have to watch this video until the end. So guys, I'm Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital FX, the one-stop YouTube channel for your institutional trading tips, techniques, strategies, and everything you need to know about BTMM, ICT, demand and supply, everything. It's here. So if you are new, please consider subscribing, turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a video of this nature. So guys, today we are going to talk about order block manipulation, how to understand and to avoid order block retest fake outs in the forex market. So right now we are looking at this chart where we are seeing prices been going up and prices been bullish for the most part. Yes, break of structure, order block, break of structure again, and price is moving moving up, like as you are seeing in this chart, in this picture. So this is what it's doing. Then after this we see price coming back with consolidation to the order block. Right now I want to get your attention to this area right here where we are seeing the order block here, where we are seeing the order block being retested with this aggressive move as you see right now. So this is what is happening in this area. So if you zoom in, you see this is the order block. So let's just mark the lowest point of the order block and the highest point. So right, this is the lowest price. Look in this area what price did at this range, at this area in this area we can see that price gave us this candle, then these candles, but I want you to see something. The only thing that is going beyond our order block or beyond our purple line which we just drew here is the pins. That's the only things going beyond the line. So I want you to consider an order block this way. If you want to enter your trades and know if your order block is still valid or not, I want you to use the closes of the candle, the closes and the open. Right after this red candle, you see it went outside the order block, closed inside. Right, it went outside, closed inside, went outside, closed inside. So you might be asking yourself, so I would have been stopped out, because Shocks, you tell us to put the stop loss just below the order block and your pending order at this point. So what happens then? I would have been stopped out. So here I'm going to explain to you how to re-enter. I want you to master re-entries after seeing this, after seeing price throwing pins outside your order block. You know you have the dealer after you see that. So here I'm not trying to kind of let you or teach you to avoid stop losses. Yes, your stop loss is going to be hit here, brother, sister, it's going to be hit, but I want you to master the stop ones, to master the manipulation going on this region, and for you to master how to re-enter that same particular trade. So stay until the end. I will explain after I show you all the examples I have prepared for you. Then I will show you how to re-enter these types of entries and these types of re-entries per se. Okay, so this is what happens. So when you see price closing and opening inside the order block but just throwing pins just beyond the order block, you know you have the dealer, you know you have him, and you are just waiting for what I'm going to tell you later so that you can enter. Okay, let's look at this example. So this is the order block. Let's use those lines to mark the order block. Okay, right, so something like this. Then I want you to look in this area. So price is closing at the at the upper line of our marking of our order block, closing inside and just throwing pins outside. So this is manipulation 101. Manipulation 101. When you see this, just know you have the dealer. Just know you have the dealer. Right, so let's look at another example. Okay, this one is perfect. Okay, let's just zoom in a bit and I want you to see something. This is the order block and this is right? So you see price just comes, hits your stop loss and goes up. But by hitting your stop loss, what does it do? It leaves a pin, closes way inside the order block and also above the 50% line of the order block. That is a very good sign of this trade going into your direction. So after you see this, you have to re-enter your trade, put your stop loss just below this pin, which would have taken what? Which would have taken liquidity just below the what? Just below the order block. So this is order block manipulation. It will look like it's breaking the order block. How is that gonna look like it's breaking? Okay, let's just consider this candle which left a pin, or this hammer. At one point it will be full red, and by you seeing the full red candle, you are not going to execute down here buy. No, what do you say? Momentum is going to be against you, everything is going to be against you. So what are you going to do? You are going to not enter here because you are afraid, or you are going to execute a sell. Then they will leave you on a pin. Have you ever entered a trade and it's like a sniper entering the wrong direction? This is what happens. So by this, after you are done with this video, you will avoid that particular situation and you'll be good. Okay, I was in this trade. Oh, okay, I am in this trade. Let's see how it goes. But I want you to see something. I just realized that this is happening right now. This is order block manipulation 101. What is happening? Price just went back or traced to this zone, to this order block, this one. So this order block, it took market structure here. That is a very valid break of structure. Then come back through the pins, but closed inside the what? Inside the order block, between these two lines. This is what price is doing, and this would have been a better or a good entry for you. Why? Because you are saying this is manipulation. After you see this, you know you have the dealer. The dealer is just collecting stop losses and liquidity above this line. So after he leaves these pins, this is rejection, and you will enter here, and your stop loss will go away just above that, and just obviously your take profit is going to be down here. So this is how you do it, and let's look at more of these manipulations. Also, this is another one. This is another one. You see, this is an order block. Price looks like it is retesting, then went further down, leaves you on a pin. After you see this, guys, I'm gonna show you how to execute using this technique. So this is an order block. You see price. Okay, let's explain this order block first. How this order block is valid. Takes out this break of this structure. So this is what we call break of structure. Takes out this again, break of structure again. So it's breaking structures as it goes down, and it breaks structure here too, right? So, and this is what we call that 90-degree move, that aggressive move we always talk about. This is the move, right? So that is the move, and that is your move. So what are you doing? Price is coming back with consolidation. This is what we want to see. Price is coming back with consolidation, and then when it's getting here, what does it do? It shoots beyond the order block, then closes inside, shoots again, closes inside, and leaves you a pin. Leaves you pins outside the order block. Guys, you know what to do. You get in with all that you have. Okay, guys, that is not investment advice. I didn't just say that. So I'm not an investment advisor or something like that. So manage your risk, trade with money that you are willing to lose and something like that. Don't quote me. You just do what you do and identify these pins, you know. So price is moving up. Price is moving up. Here, break structure again, and gives us this order block, right? What do? Maybe we enter here, we get stopped out with this pin, but now it leaves us with a pin. This is what we are saying. No, we can't permit this. We can't let this go unpunished. So if he does this to you guys, punish the dealer. Leaves you on a pin after this order block. Oh, you are seeing the moves. You are seeing the moves. You see how he is moving. So just manage, or when he stops you out, you know, most of the times you're stopped out of the order block and you're like, you check it after 4 hours, after 5 hours, you get pissed. The trade would have gone into your direction and you have been kicked out. So I just want you guys, if they kick you out, just wait to see if they close maybe 2 candles, at least 2 candles after the order block. Like in this case, let's say they give you this as a red candle, closes here, then they close again here. Just look for that before you go away. So most of the times you are stopped out and you look at your chart and see this full red candle. Then after looking, maybe after 4 hours, 5 hours, you see that no, this actually went into your direction. So that's what I want you guys to, if you are on a M5 chart, just wait for 10 to 15 minutes, see the next candles. If you are on H1, just set alerts for 1 to 2 hours, see what is happening with regards to your time frame, right? So pin, you are in. Let's look at this. What happened here? This is an order block, right? Yeah, it didn't exactly leave a pin, but yeah, this is what you don't want to see. A pin in the order block. Oh, you punish the guy, you punish the dealer. Let's look at this. Is this a pin? Let's just see. No, it's not a pin. Perfect. So yeah, that's what you are doing. And let's look at more examples of this. Yes, this is a very good example. Let's start with this one. This is an order block. From that we have break of structure. This is BOS, break of structure, order block. Then price came, retested it here. So you could have entered this trade. Yes, you could have entered this also. But on this third touch, this is where the dealer showed you his hand. He printed this red candle to scare you, obviously, or to hit your stops, right? Then this actually hit your stops and went in the other direction, which you would have anticipated. And if you wait after this, or after your stop loss is hit, maybe you're going to wait for 30 minutes or so, and you see that no, the dealer actually closed with a pin, and this is the punishment zone. So you punish him in this area and you go in the other direction. Let's look at this. So you enter here, maybe you are a pending guy, you enter here, you get stopped out, you get pissed, you go out, you play, go and watch soccer, go and do something, and after 5 hours of playing FIFA or something, you come back and see, oh, the dealer is in profit without you. And you are busy texting your friends, oh, did you see what V10 did? Did you see what this pair did? Something like that. We know what happens. But if you could have just wait and see this pin, you could have punished the dealer here and made all this. So guys, I hope you can go and do your own study concerning this manipulation tactic, concerning these things, and you do informed trading decisions. So this was my 2 cents, and I'm out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends and family. I'm out. Trade what you see.